Hi, I'm Laura Khanna. This is Kunal Khanna, and we run the Odd Gum Nut, which is a permaculture farm in Panchgani, Maharashtra.
I went to boarding school here in Panchgani throughout my youth, and after moving back from Australia, living there for 13 years, we decided to move to this property that we've had in our family for quite some time since I was in the school. And it's a 1 acre land over here, and we came here and we turned it into a permaculture farm, and we started growing food and recycling our water and started using all of the permaculture principles to create a beautiful permaculture paradise right here in the Western Ghats.
So my background has been in food, literally my whole life. I grew up in a family where food was a really central part. We grew a lot of our own food. We had chickens, and we did all kinds of processing things as kids. We would stomp grapes to make wine. We would press apples to make cider. We would harvest like bushels and bushels of potatoes and store them in cellars over the winter. And that being able to process your ingredients that are coming out of the land, especially when your focus is making the most nutrient and mineral dense food possible, because your focus is soil health, then you want to make sure that nothing that comes out of your land goes to waste. And you must then learn how to process, save, ferment, can, and store all your food as to not waste it. It's one thing to grow your food, that's a real ticket to your own sovereignty, but the other side of the coin is that you have to know how to process it effectively, otherwise you end up with a lot of wastage.
A very unique experience and a unique program where you're going to so many different farms. So I really found it interesting to hear about the experiences at the other places that you visited as well. And yeah, really we feel fortunate to be able to close your traveling PDC here at the Odd Gum Nut. And yeah, it was a good time, good 3 days we spent together. Yeah, we would absolutely suggest and recommend this to anyone and everyone want to learn about permaculture and do a PDC. Like I keep saying again and again, it gives you a really wide range of experience versus just being in one place and learning about the one biome that you're in and the kind of things that are growing there and the systems that are put into place in one particular farm. You actually get to experience so much more, and so it's a far more enriching experience, I think, versus being in a single residential or one place PDC.
We would recommend anyone to learn under Ramesh. He's a really unique teacher in his depth of experience actually in the field, learning about geological systems, learning about water systems. There's really few people who have that much knowledge who are teaching permaculture in India today. So absolutely go learn from Ramesh. We couldn't recommend it more.